Hey y'all, it's Jessie, and I'm going to show you my Wheel of Fortune command line application that I made. I'm very excited because this is my first project that I've made in Ruby. So let me share my screen. Okay, here we go. I'm going to run the application by typing Ruby bin/Wheel of Fortune in the terminal. And because this is a game show, it's going to load the banner and it's going to say, Wheel of Fortune. So this is actually using the CatPix gem, which relies on Rake, Image Magic, and like 3 other Ruby gem dependencies. Then it says it's using TTY prompt to say, what's your name? Type your name and press enter. And I'm going to say Jessie. And now it's using the Quote Garden API to pull in all of the categories from Quote Garden and says, which category would you like to play? And let's pick computers. And now it's actually loading a bunch of quotes from computers, and it's going to randomly select one and replace all of the letters in it with dashes so that we can play our game. Now we have 3 options. We can spin the wheel, buy a vowel, or solve the puzzle. We don't have any money, so we can solve the puzzle or spin the wheel. I don't know about you, but I have no idea what this quote is, so I'm going to spin the wheel. And you can see I spun 5,000. That's like the biggest amount you can spin, so that's awesome. It's also the amount that a vowel costs, so I'm going to pick a consonant. I'm going to pick S. And I just made bank. 60,000. I'm going to buy all of my vowels just like that. Okay. Now, when I go to buy a vowel, if I type in a consonant, W, it's going to tell me choose a vowel that has not already been selected. Okay. So I'm going to say A, that's a vowel. If I buy a vowel again and I try to choose A again, it's going to say choose a vowel that has already been selected. So if you choose something that's not a vowel or a vowel that you've already picked, it gives you the same error. So it's kind of like a catch-all. Let's do E. O. There we go. I have all the vowels. Let's try and buy a vowel again just to see what happens. And it says, you have already purchased all the vowels. Spin the wheel or solve the puzzle. I don't know about you, but I have no idea what this puzzle is yet. So let's keep going. Spin the wheel. I spent 650, nowhere close to that 5,000 before, but let's try an N. Looks like there were some N's in there. I got some money. Spin again. I'm going to try a T. I'm wondering what that second word is. I thought it might be an, and then I thought, well, that was silly. It wasn't I an. It certainly wasn't I at. I bet you it's I am. I am a. I need to think a little bit harder before I guess. Okay, I'm going to try an M. I am a something. Well, I can see here, I'm guessing that's an H and an R right in there. So I'm going to spin H, spin. Oh, look at that. Bankrupt. So sad, so sad. All of that money, I lost $65,000. I'll have to carry on. I'll have to carry on. Be strong. Be strong, Jessie. R. Okay. I am a huge supporter for, bet you that's Bash. Huge supporter. For, And I could try solving it, and then I'd have to type out this whole really long puzzle. I'm a huge supporter for, let's try B for bash. It's not bash. Well, there's an L for people. I'm a huge supporter for cash. Cash. See a D. Cash. Air conditioners. I for energy. K for make. For cash for caulkers. I am a huge supporter for cash for caulkers, which allows people to make improvement for energy efficient in their homes. We should do the same for Americans purchasing appliance and computers. Then Vanna and Pat are going to congratulate me on my miraculous win and show all the money that I won. Look at all that money. And they're going to say, congratulations, Jesse, you won. Your final score is 57,850. If I go up here, I am a huge supporter for cash for caulkers, which allows people to make improvement for energy efficient in their homes. We should do the same for Americans purchasing appliances and computers, and for that matter, new air conditioner and heating units. That was the quote. And I'm going to say, yes, I'd like to play again. And you'll see it just reloads the entire program now. It'll give me the option to enter my name again. Let's do funny. It's going to pick my quote for me. And I'm just going to play this through really fast. It is a, I can see cholesterol, scientific. It is a scientific fact that your body will not absorb cholesterol if you take it from another person's plate. That is funny. Okay, so I'm actually going to solve this one by typing it just to show you the function. So we're going to solve, since this one's shorter. It is a scientific fact that your body will not absorb cholesterol. Oh. Okay, I'm going to retype this. So I'm actually going to do some copying and pasting here to make this easy on myself. Body you take it from another person's plate. Look at that. Vanna and Pat are happy with me again. And you can't actually lose if you end on a negative value. You can see, congratulations, Jesse, you won. Your final score is 25,550. If you end on a negative value, you get an image of Pat Sajak going, and he will be very unhappy with you. So I can say no, and it's going to exit the application. And that is my very first ever Ruby app. It's Wheel of Fortune, and I hope you liked it.